Oh, what's crack-a-lackin' everybody? Welcome to our cooking channel. This is part 2 of making amazing cakes in the oven. Okay, today I have Johnson with me on my side. Say hey, Johnson.
Hello guys.
He's very cool as you can see. So now we will start cooking. Oh, yeah guys, oh. So what we will make today, Johnson?
Cake.
We have a list here guys on some ingredients for our cake. Who wants to read the ingredients? Okay, I guess it's you, okay?
Powder. Sugar.
Some baby powder. Okay boys, now we're going to start with the first ingredients. Some powder from wheat. Straight from the country, boys. So we will need 2 tablespoons of this. Peace. Okay, what comes next? Let's take it with Johnson.
Hello guys. Welcome to Johnson. For a second, we need some sugar. It is not just normal sugar. It's Sunwear sugar. Not sponsored by the way.
Gang everybody. Now we're going to take some cocoa powder, okay? And here it's also 2 tablespoons. Just like always, okay? And that's how you do it. Back to Johnson now.
Hello guys. And now time for some more ingredients. You got to find the right yogurt. You can't just deal with that piece of shit, you know? You got to have some real quality yogurt. And we have found one. This is from Pennsylvania, USA. Oh, okay, it's careful to treat this with respect. We need a tablespoon as usual. Be sure to not use the same tablespoon as always. Clean it after every time. Especially after yogurt, it can get kind of messy.
Give it a man, give it a man, give it a man. Getting hot in here, getting hot in here, getting hot in here. Like yeah, yeah baby, come on baby, oh yeah. You know I want the cake in my room tonight. You say they're making big, I'm showing you tonight. Yeah. I got the swag, and I don't even brag. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. It's only me, not even mouse with bruh. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I will bake the cake, oh, I will take a break. You will see my juicy steak. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. My cake tastes so good. Hope that it's understood. And I will make my size.
That was hard. But now, salt. Salt is good. Take little bit of salt, just a little bit. That's good. Back to honest. I got some trouble.
Okay, my boys, let's take some butter, put it in our chocolate, and then we'll be all right. Okay, are you ready? Here we have some butter. We will take off the lid, of course. Take our plate. Take some butter on that mother cracking plate. Then we will put it in the oven. Okay, are you ready? Okay, pause now, pause now. Okay, boys. Now the butter is in the oven, and while we're waiting for that, let's watch some music video, okay?
You will like it, oh. Every little single bit, oh. Everybody likes my sauce, oh. it is just a loss. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. My cake has lots of chocolate. On top of that, it's up yet. I'm 100% sure that you will like it and you will approve to come inside my room, and it will be really good. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, boys. Just took out the butter from the oven. Now let's pour it in the chocolate. Oh, oh, some on the side. 1/4 teaspoon of this. If we take too much, it will explode. Oh, can you hear that? It's sizzling when it comes down. Listen. Whoa, that's like chemicals. Wonder what's in this. Is it like dangerous? Let's take a small pinch and do a taste test of this, okay? Here we have a pinch of some bake powder. Oh, guys! What the crack is in this stuff? Whoa! Guys, do not ever try this. It tastes so freaking bad. I got disappointed. Now our chocolate will taste like this. Oh my god. Guys, that tasted like some chemicals. Oh my god. Let's mix in the chemicals in the chocolate.
Isn't that too gott ut?
Well, Johnson, I think we have all the ingredients in this little cup here, and we're all finished to put it inside of the oven. Do you want to do a taste test of this?
Yes.
Here comes the chocolate. Oh. And since we're not going to mix anything more, I can take from this. I hope that it does not taste like baking soda now, because that shit tastes like crap. Okay, now we'll taste it. Let's do the taste test on 1, 2, 3. It tastes like so much chocolate powder. Let's now put it in the oven. See you later, Alimator.
Hello.
Did they say 1 minute in the microwave?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, do you hear that, Johnson?
What?
It's the oven, and it's finished finally. Let's go
It's
and check out
finished.
the oven. The oven is over there, okay? Just got the chocolate from the oven.
From the
Yeah,
oven.
boys. Oh, you can't really show this yet, or what do you say, Johnson?
No.
You have something around your mouth.
No.
Did you eat from the cake?
No.
Because we're going to do a taste test, so it's best for you that you did not eat. I trust you now, okay? Okay, are we going to pretend that it's finished now?
Yeah.
Oh, guys! Now as you can see, the cake is finished. We will top the top with some powdered sugar, or as we like to call it, some baby powder. What do you say? We take a lot so they don't see the color of the real cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a lot. More? You like sugar?
Yeah.
You want some sugar? Oh, guys! Here we have each an empty spoon, and we're going to take each a bite from the cake, and we will do a taste it and show you how good it is. And you have to do this to your family. Or Johnson, it's Valentine's Day in 2 days, and you will do this to your Valentine. You will get okay?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, as you can see, here's the cake. This looks so good, so good. Okay, Johnson, let's do the first taste test of the cake. We have never tasted this
Yeah.
before. It's 1, 2, and 3. What do you say, Johnson? Was it good?
Taste cocoa powder.
Guys, I'm going to be serious with you. More sugar, less cocoa powder. This was mother cracking amazing, okay?
Yeah.
Well guys, this was part 2 of Cooking with Johnson and Juanex.
Hey.
And as always, subscribe to my channel, bully the like button.
Pull it so hard.
Yes. Bully it like you never bullied anything before. And we will see you in our last video. Goodbye!
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Bring your friends, bring your grandmother, your whole family. I want them all, yeah, I want them all. I want them all, yeah, I want them all. I want them all, yeah, I want them all. I want them all, yeah, I want them all. To taste my cake, yeah, to taste my cake. My juicy cake, yeah, my milky cake.